Hello everyone. Today I have a quick review of the Neretva Espresso machine. Now they did send this over for review, so let's get into it. I want to show you guys a couple features that you may not know about that make this stand out ahead of the competition. This top part here is actually a cup warming plate, so you can get your preheated cups and glasses to retain that kind of essential characteristics of a true espresso. Now on the whole body itself is all stainless steel, so very high quality build there. You have your cup right here in the front that you lock in like that. Very cool little handle right there. Now a couple other features here. You have a visible thermometer right here that's going to show the exact temperature. You have a steam knob to adjust the amount of steam that's coming out. That's pretty crazy. Removable drip tray here. Super compact design, and then a powerful steam wand, which allows you to basically swivel it and get the effortless kind of milk texture that you want right there. And then let's check out the tank back here. It is 1/3 or 1.3 liters. Locks on nice and easy. Top pops off like that. Overall, very nice. This can pull up to 1350 watts, guys, so make sure you have it on its own circuit. This is going to trip a breaker if you have anything else high powered on the same circuit, but most kitchen outlets should be 20 amp anyway, so you should be okay there. Overall, a very nice espresso machine. It's nice and small, but it's going to give you that perfect espresso if you're an espresso fanatic like we are. Check it out.